everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So it is by this brand right here, which is Kimiangel. It tells you all the different things that it comes with, and it tells you the ones that it actually has 2 of. It is for ages 3 and up, and then it has your dimensions right there. So I'm going to take this to our church, and I'm going to show you the kids playing with it right now. So when starting this, you want to click the bottom of the charcoal on, and you can see where it has a little piece of fire in here. Look, you just touch this. It's like a magnet. You just touch it to that, and it'll turn it on. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.